description.
Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got one from Nora Kitchen. This is their chicken sopas. So this is made in the United States, and it's definitely something. This is like for the Filipino market here. It's really interesting. My buddy James in Lakeside, California sent me a bunch of varieties. And this brand keeps coming up. I should reach out to them because it's like, I don't know. It's interesting. Okay, so add everything. Fill the line with water. You give it a stir. Yeah, and then you cover it for 5 minutes. So I think we're good. This is macaroni. See? You know what macaroni is. And oddly enough, believe it or not, macaroni, I've had macaroni from Hong Kong that's soupy. I've had like abalone flavor macaroni. What? I mean, yeah. Here it's just mac and cheese. In fact, my old buddy Jamie used to like give me crap. It's like, you feed your children that hands. You really do. He's like, he thought that was like the absolute crap food of America. And I'm like, yeah, well, they're kids, man. They like that stuff. He just like, It's definitely made in the U.S. because it comes with chicken. This is dehydrated actual chicken. And I gotta say, the cut on this is rather interesting. Perhaps the machine was a little drunk that day. I don't know. But I've never seen a sachet angular like that. So my wife and I just had lunch, and we were discussing what to do on the morrow. And it looks like we came to the conclusion the right thing to do would be to go to Pike Place Market. So I'm like freaking jazzed about that. I haven't been there in a long time, and it's a neat place. That's like one of the places to go in Seattle. Okay, 5 minutes. Do your thing. It also wants to be stirred, so I'm going to stir it right now. I'm curious how this will go. My guess is that this is very thin-walled macaroni to be able to be hydrated, cooked, prepared in this manner. Went out walking, was supposed to have a meeting with this guy about a thing, a collab. And I just got an email saying that, well, it was a travel day, so they weren't able to contact me. But it's like, it's all good. I would ponder, I don't know my rules all that well, but in the Ferengi rules of acquisition, there are many things having to do with opportunity, and I would pose that probably, or posit rather, that most likely there's one that's like, opportunities are like latinum. Don't let them slip through your fingers. So it's like, why did the guy, it's all good. I'm not out any money for having to change the appointment time until Monday. But if it all works out, I'll let you know. And then you'll get to see stuff about it. It sounds like a really cool thing. I don't know that I want to mention what it is yet. It involves a television network and a promotion. So, yeah. But if it all works out, all is on track and everything, and I can tell you about it, it probably won't be such a bad deal. You'll find it fascinating and wonderful. You'll be wonderfulified. Somebody commented on me. That is Super Girl, who's been a person who's commented and followed the Ramen Raider on Instagram for a long time. She's had some really interesting varieties of noodles she's reviewed. There's a lot of people that review instant noodles out there, but I will say, for the most part, I think I'm probably the one who's like does it the most steadiest and most often. So, I mean, this week, yeah, I'm gonna hit 9 reviews this week, and I think I hit 9 reviews last week. I've really settled into my schedule. It's 2 o'clock right now. I already did my walking. I've got that thing over the window. Wow, they are like angry out there. But it's like, it's sunny, and it's gonna be the clouds go over, and it's cloudy, and then it's sunny. It's so great. It doesn't matter anymore. I've got that thin, papery stuff on the window, and so I can just shoot video whenever I can take pictures right there without like crap loads of glare, and it's really nice. And it was just some bunch of like, it's not even parchment. I don't even know what it is, but it's thin. It's like paper you use to put in gift bags, but it works. It's a low-tech fix for a high-tech problem. But yeah. So, yeah, I like free fixes for things. One thing that wasn't a free fix is, for some reason, I've got these 2 bulbs in my copy stand over there. So if you're looking at this video and you just looked at the review on the ramenraider.com, all those pictures that aren't the finished product, like the cup and stuff like that, I do that all on my copy stand. I've got a DSLR camera that points straight down, and I do my photos on that. Well, I've got one on each side. So when I do a pack, I take a picture with both lights on, one with one light off, and then one with the other light off. Why? Glare. So I get glare coming from one side, one from the other. So what I do is I take the one that has both lights on, then I go do a clone stamp in Photoshop, just get it just right on the other side, and then I can go like this, like a paintbrush, but I can paint out the glare. If that makes sense to you, I hope so. It works. And yeah, well, my bulbs, they're not working. So one bulb isn't working, I can say that much. Well, let's give this a try. It's got chicken in it. Whoa, I feel kind of dizzy. I'm tired. Yeah. It looks like a creamy, chickeny thing. It's really hot. Here's the techno music. That's not bad. I think I mentioned it had fish in it. It's good. There's bits of veg. There's little bits of chicken in it. I'm getting the whole thing. It's as advertised. It's not bad. I think if you want a creamy chicken noodle macaroni thing in a cup that only takes 5 minutes, you've come home, ladies and gentlemen. Oh boy. If that's what you're looking for. If not, then I don't know what to tell you, but I think that'll work pretty well if that sounds like something you would like. And I think the people who like the creamy chicken probably would go for something like that. Look at how creamy. Oh boy, look at all the creaminess. The creme de la creme. The creme de la mac and cheese. No, there's no cheese. What should we do here? A little scallion. A little too much scallion. see. Yeah, we're gonna go to the Pike Place Market, yo. I am jazzed on that. It's a fun place for fun things to happen. Actually, it's just kind of neat to wander around and see the junk there. I'm gonna add a little crushed red pepper too, which might not be apropos to the app. Oh, curse words. Oh, dude, I'm gonna take this stupid bottle and hide it there. It is hidden, folks. That's the second time that's happened. Crap. So what is it? That's ground cinnamon, and it is not. Phooey. There's that. Oh man. I wonder how this is with cinnamon. Yeah, that doesn't work all that well. Well, here's what I meant to do. And I will say with cinnamon it's not bad, but it's really like kind of off. Not the way it's supposed to be. But it's a nice creamy chicken noodle bowl. I'll let it rotate. You get to watch it go. Why not? And yeah. Anyways, it's spinning. Well, that didn't go exactly as planned, but it worked out. I mean, that's good chicken noodly stuff. I like it. What's up next? Well, a different packaging of Indomie special chicken. I thought that would work for today, and that's what you're gonna see on the next episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Thank you.